To create the life you desire, focus on the end result as though it's already achieved. Dr. Joseph Murphy.
Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract what they want, while others struggle to make their desires a reality? The difference often lies in the understanding and application of a powerful principle, the law of attraction. This concept isn't just about wishful thinking or fleeting fantasies. It's about harnessing the power of your mind to shape your reality. By following certain principles and practices, you can transform your life and manifest your deepest desires. Let's explore how you can tap into this power effectively and consistently. At the core of this practice is the idea that your thoughts and feelings shape your external reality. This principle is not new. It has been echoed by various spiritual traditions and thought leaders throughout history. What's crucial to understand is that your subconscious mind is the driving force behind this process. It absorbs and acts upon the beliefs and emotions you hold, creating circumstances in your life that reflect those inner states. Therefore, if you want to change your external world, you need to start by changing your internal dialogue. A key technique to harness this power is visualization. Visualization involves creating a clear and detailed mental image of what you want to achieve. Imagine your goal as if it has already been accomplished. See yourself living that reality, experiencing the emotions and sensations associated with it. The more vivid and real you make this mental image, the more effective it will be. Your subconscious mind cannot distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences, so it begins to accept your visualization as reality, prompting it to act accordingly. Another essential practice is affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. They should be phrased in the present tense and state your desired outcome as if it is already happening. For example, if you want to attract abundance into your life, you might say, "I am abundant and prosperous." By consistently repeating affirmations, you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with these positive beliefs, which in turn influences your actions and the opportunities that come your way. It's important to maintain a positive mental attitude throughout this process. Negative thoughts and self-doubt can counteract the effects of visualization and affirmations. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them, but don't dwell on them. Instead, gently guide your focus back to your desired outcomes and the positive feelings associated with them. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude also enhances this process. By being thankful for what you already have, you create a mindset that is open to receiving even more. Consistency is key in this practice. The more regularly you engage in visualization and affirmations, the more entrenched these new beliefs will become in your subconscious mind. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice these techniques and make them a natural part of your routine. Over time, you'll notice that your external circumstances begin to shift in alignment with your new inner reality. It's also helpful to create a vision board. This is a visual representation of your goals and desires. Place images, words, and symbols on the board that resonate with your aspirations. Display it somewhere you can see it daily. This constant visual reminder helps reinforce your goals and keeps you focused on what you want to achieve. The process of manifestation is not about forcing or controlling outcomes. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of your desires. Trust in the process and be open to receiving what is aligned with your goals. Sometimes the universe might deliver your desires in unexpected ways or at a different time than you anticipated. Stay patient and persistent, knowing that everything is unfolding in its own perfect timing. In addition to these practices, taking inspired action is crucial. Manifestation is not a passive process. While your thoughts and feelings create the foundation, taking steps towards your goal shows your commitment and readiness to receive what you desire. Listen to your intuition and act on any opportunities that arise. Each action you take aligns you more closely with your desired outcome and propels you forward on your path. As you begin this practice, it's important to be kind and compassionate with yourself. Personal growth and manifestation require time and effort. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep your focus on the positive aspects of your journey. This positive reinforcement fuels your motivation and keeps you aligned with your goals. Understanding and applying the principles of manifestation goes beyond simple visualization and affirmations. It involves a profound shift in how you perceive yourself and your relationship with the world. When you grasp the deeper layers of this practice, you'll find that your ability to influence your reality becomes even more powerful. One important aspect to consider is the concept of vibrational alignment. Everything in the universe operates on a frequency, including your thoughts, feelings, and desires. To manifest effectively, your own vibrational frequency needs to be in harmony with the frequency of what you want to attract. This alignment is achieved through consistent positive emotions and thoughts. By focusing on what you want and feeling as though you've already achieved it, you tune your vibration to match your desires. It's not just about thinking positively, but also about genuinely feeling the joy, satisfaction, and excitement of having your desires fulfilled. Another powerful technique is to engage in mental rehearsal. This involves running through scenarios in your mind where you achieve your goals.
Unlike simple visualization, mental rehearsal involves actively experiencing the process and the end result. Imagine the steps you take, the challenges you overcome, and the eventual success.
This process not only solidifies your vision, but also prepares your subconscious mind to navigate the real-world actions needed to achieve your goals. It's like training your mind to be ready for success by simulating the entire journey in a mental space. Moreover, addressing and transforming limiting beliefs is crucial. Often, underlying beliefs can sabotage your efforts, even if you're practicing visualization and affirmations. These beliefs are deeply ingrained, stemming from past experiences or societal conditioning. To overcome them, identify any negative beliefs you hold about yourself or your abilities. Challenge these beliefs by replacing them with empowering affirmations and experiences that contradict the old beliefs. This shift in mindset reinforces your capacity to manifest your desires and helps you build confidence in your ability to achieve them. Gratitude plays a significant role in the manifestation process. By expressing gratitude for what you already have, you create a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. This shift in perspective enhances your vibrational alignment with your goals. Gratitude opens a door to receiving more by acknowledging and appreciating the present moment. It creates a positive feedback loop where your appreciation attracts more positive experiences and opportunities into your life. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine can further support your manifestation practice. Mindfulness helps you stay present and aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to make conscious adjustments as needed. Meditation, on the other hand, helps you center yourself, reduce stress, and connect with your inner self. Both practices enhance your ability to focus and maintain a positive mindset, which is essential for effective manifestation. Another aspect to explore is the role of synchronicities and signs from the universe. Often, when you are aligned with your desires, the universe sends you signs or opportunities that guide you towards your goals. Pay attention to these synchronicities and be open to receiving them. They can come in various forms: unexpected meetings, sudden inspirations, or chance occurrences. By recognizing and acting upon these signs, you facilitate the manifestation process and show your readiness to receive. Lastly, trust in the timing of your manifestations. Sometimes what you desire might not materialize immediately, but that doesn't mean it won't. The universe operates on its own schedule, and what may seem like a delay could be a part of the process to bring you exactly what you need at the right time.
Maintain faith in your practice, continue to align your thoughts and feelings with your desires, and stay patient. Trusting the process and remaining persistent will ultimately lead you to your desired outcomes.
By expanding your understanding of these deeper aspects of manifestation, you enhance your ability to attract and achieve your goals. It's about more than just wishing or hoping. It's about creating a coherent and aligned approach to shaping your reality. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you activate a powerful process of variation. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions create a cohesive force that attracts and manifests your desires. And as you continue to cultivate this mindset, you will find that your life begins to reflect the outcomes you've envisioned and worked towards. To summarize, harnessing the power of your mind to manifest your desires involves clear visualization, positive affirmations, maintaining a positive attitude, and consistent practice. Creating a vision board and taking inspired actions further enhance this process.
Trust in your ability to shape your reality and stay open to the possibilities that arise. Your dedication to these practices will bring about meaningful changes in your life, helping you achieve the success and fulfillment you seek.
If you found these insights valuable, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on manifesting your dreams. Share this video with friends who might benefit from these techniques and leave a comment below about how you plan to apply these principles. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us continue to provide valuable content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates.